Hey, Coach Greg here with Fall Training, and if you are trying to shed some pounds, then I have a full body boxing workout that is really gonna help you burn some calories, get your sweat on, and feel good doing it. So grab some water, you just need a flat surface, it's all gonna be standing. We're gonna be getting our cardio boxing on, so here we go. To kick things off, we are gonna start with some boxer bounces. This is a great warm-up, so here we go, 30 seconds, and let's get bouncing. All we're doing is shifting our weight from foot to foot, just like this. So shake out your arms. You can pretend you're using a jump rope. Now the goal is to get off the ground slightly, but if your knees hurt, something like that, just focus on doing calf raises, just like this. The goal is we just want to warm up our ankles, our feet, our whole body, because when you have a strong base, everything else gets stronger with it. So a couple more seconds here. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along. Our second exercise, we have jab, jab, hooks. So all we're gonna be doing is 1 foot forward, 1 foot behind, stable base, knees slightly bent. We are gonna be focusing on jabbing twice with our first arm. So it's like jab, jab, and then hook, just like this. Don't worry about the exact footwork or technique. The goal is we really just wanna be moving with it. So it's gonna be punch, punch, and then we're hooking. We're just turning over our fist like this, pretending like we're punching someone, hinging and twisting from our hips. So 30 seconds, and here we go. So it's jab, jab, hook, jab, jab, hook. Bam, 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 bam. Just like that. Again, don't worry about super proper technique. We just want to get our heart rate up. Now, if you have a punching bag, feel free to use that. But the air works just as good. So again, make sure you're breathing. Make sure you can like breathe out with each punch. So, just like this. Punch, punch. Here, so keep those arms up. One more, and done. Great job. Next, we have bob and weaves. Here we go. Again, keep that fighter stance. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, square base. And all we're gonna be doing is pretending there's a line that's reaching right in front of you. So we're just bob and weaving right under it, just like that. 30 seconds, and here we go. Keep your core tight, keep your arms up, and bob and weave. Keep a nice tempo, make sure you're breathing. Hope you're doing great. I love these type of exercises because they're just more fun than traditional exercises. It feels like you're learning something, and also you're burning a lot of calories. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last but not least, we have some uppercuts. We are just going to be, again, fighter position, arms up, elbows up, and we are just going to be rotating to boom. Uppercut, uppercut, just like this. And again, I know you're like, Greg, you got to break down the techniques. Don't worry too much about that. We just want to have fun. Just focus on if you're going to be throwing your left uppercut, twist to that side, and come up with basically just using your hip like this. So you can just do this, and boom, you're able to throw it. So now just add the arm, and you're there, and then same thing on this side. All we're doing is twisting over, just like this, and then boom, add the arm, and then you're punching. So when you do both, bam, just like this. 30 seconds, and here we go. Punch, 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 bam, bam. Again, don't worry so much about proper technique. Just focus on getting that tempo up. Your arms should be burning. Keep that core tight. Just like that. And then make sure you are breathing. Bam. Couple more seconds here. You're doing great. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. There you have it. That is your full body boxing workout. I'm out of breath, so I'm gonna grab some water. And then we're gonna get started for real this time with this next set. All right, here we go. You should have a grasp of these exercises. And again, just have fun with it. Don't overthink it. Just make sure you're keeping those arms up. Make sure you're having fun, keeping that core tight, and make sure you breathe. So here we go, starting right now. Boxer bounces, 3, 2, 1, go. Jab, jab, hook in 3, 2, 1. Bob and weave, 3, 2, 1, go. Uppercuts, 3, 2, 1, go. Water time. Alrighty, one more set to go for this full body boxing workout. You know what you're doing, and let's get it. Jab, jab, hook in 3, 2, 1. Bob and weave in 3, 2, 1, go. Uppercuts, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. That is how you shed those pounds with a full body boxing workout. I hope you loved it as much as I did. I love these type of exercises. If you want more of this, go ahead and comment. Let us know what you want. Also, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts and recipes and things of that nature coming out daily. So I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.